Welcome to FoodSafe Tools, where streamlining your kitchen operations for recording temperatures is so much easier. Enhanced monitoring, improved compliance, paperless and automatic alerts. When logged in, you will see a dashboard for compliance for recording equipment temperatures, 2 to 4 hours rule, food temperature cooks, cooking and cooling records, and food receipt temperature checks. At the bottom of the screen will daily cleaning tasks that is required for the day and any recent activity on the right-hand side that has been completed for tasks. FoodSafe Tools comes with 9 handy tool sections: temperatures for recording, cleaning, calibration for resetting probes, numerous reports, inspector feedback, venue setup, employees where to find certificates, Food Act, and support. When placing temperatures into FoodSafe Tools, you can use the main heading section, but it's easier to place them in using the dashboard for the day. As you can see, there is a number of temperatures that need to be added into FoodSafe Tools each day. For this example, the dashboard is saying it needs 6 recordings for AM and PM equipment. If a temperature recording has been missed for the day, a report will be emailed to a dedicated email address. This allows you to fix items and be fully compliant. If you have a temperature record that is not in the required safe zone, a notification will be emailed containing information of the equipment name, time, date, staff member, and the temperature recorded. It will be the manager's duty to acknowledge and clear this alert from the email. The manager at the time can type a note to resolve the problem for future reference. Daily cleaning tasks can be viewed from the dashboard. Scroll down to see the entire list. But when completing cleaning tasks, simply use the cleaning header. Click on the selected area and choose the kitchen that has the cleaning duties. Click on the staff member responsible for the cleaning duties and review daily, weekly, monthly, or other. The calibration section is a digital record of calibrating the probe. This should be completed every 6 months. In the Reports heading, you will find reports for all temperature recordings. To view a report, simply click on the heading you want to view. Add the date range, the area, click on a supplier, the type of product, and then click on the Generate Report button. If there has been entries made within the period, you will find items below. The Inspector Feedback heading is where you can add and keep historic data from previous inspections. Click on Show Completed Tasks to see historic information. The Venue Setup heading is where the database is built with venue configuration, suppliers, areas, manage equipment, manage products, equipment type, employee orientation, cleaning procedure, compliance settings, calibration management, and clean touchscreen. The Employees section is where you can have staff orientation and hold employee certificates. You can view, edit, or delete employees from the list. For any questions or advice, feel free to use our Support Center heading. So stop using paper and pen for recording temperatures and sign up today.